Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Mercedes key fob. It's a pretty simple procedure, but it always helps to have someone show you how to do it. So here I am. All right, here we go. We got the key fob. We have the new battery pack. It's a 2025. That's what this requires, is a 2025 battery. It's a 2-pack. I only need one, so I pulled it out already, ready to go. The way you can tell that you need a battery, number one, is when you hit one of your buttons. If you don't see a light, there's a little light that should be lighting up right here. It's time to change your battery. So this one is definitely time, because we also noticed it was giving us some trouble unlocking the vehicle. Real simply, to change the battery. On the back part of the key fob, there's a little switch here, which releases the actual key. All right. So the first step is just pulling that open and unlocking the key. This normally goes here, but there's also a hole up here in the middle. And you're going to use this key as the tool to open the door for the battery. The door's on the back side here. So we're going to put the buttons down. We're going to insert this in the middle part of the key and press, and you can see the battery door opened. Just pull that open. And now you're going to just knock this out. It's going to come out from this side. There we go. And then you're going to want to slide in your new one. You got the flat side here towards the wall. That's where you need to put in first. So you're going to tuck that in first, push this into place, and then put this back. Again, noting which one you got to do first. You want to do the front end first, towards the front of the key fob. Put that in first, get those little levers slotted in, and just push this in. At this point, it's locked because we're not going to have the key in place to unlock it. So we're good. I'm going to slide this right back to where it was, and I'm assuming we're going to see some lights. Oh, look at that. You see that little light right there? So I got a good battery now. That's the extent of the project. All right, there you have it. New batteries installed in the key fob. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more stuff about your Mercedes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.